Buying an RV is a big investment. That's why at Heartland RV, we are excited to open our doors to all of you. Transparency is the best thing that any manufacturer can do, and we are doing that for all of you, starting here with our rolling chassis. We are providing public tours 3 times a week, every week, for the simple purpose to show you every process, allow you to ask every question that you have from us, the factory. Everything from the construction that we do that makes Heartland unique, also allows you to answer any questions and see all the components that we put into every single build. Now, the one thing I want to make sure that all of you are aware of, this is not creative salesmanship or marketing. You're going to see exactly how we build every one of these units. Why? Because we want to be open and honest with all of you. We want to provide more information, more communication, and more transparency than anybody else in the industry. So if transparency is what you are looking for in an RV manufacturer, then we look forward to seeing you at one of our public factory tours. For more information, go to heartlandrvs.com, click on company, fill out the registration form, and one of our associates will get in touch with you. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday is where you can come and have a factory tour. We look forward to seeing all of you.